There are multiple trenchless technologies that can strengthen and restore your sewer lines to working condition in less than a day. Any repair begins with inspecting and preparing the existing pipes. First, a small but powerful video camera is inserted into the pipes to assess any problems like cracks and root intrusion. Then, any roots and scale buildup are removed by using a high-speed rotary chain cleaner that moves down the pipe, grinding away any obstructions. Remaining debris is washed away through hydrojetting, which uses highly pressurized water to scrub the interior of the pipes. The pipes are now ready for repair through liner inversion. A felt liner is saturated with epoxy resin and coiled inside an inversion drum. Next, the starting end of the liner is securely fastened to the inversion drum nozzle, making an airtight seal. Air pressure pushes or inverts the flexible liner into the pipe, sealing all cracks and connections. While similar to liner inversion, the UV method can cure or harden a specially prepared liner in minutes. First, the UV-sensitive liner is coiled inside the inversion drum and inverted down the pipes. As the liner inverts, the flexible UV light train emitter is also pulled all the way down into the expanded liner. Once in place, the UV light train lights up, curing and hardening the liner in minutes, making a seamless and durable pipe within a pipe. In the pull-in-place method, a saturated liner is folded with an air bladder inside and then pulled into place. The bladder is then inflated for 4 to 6 hours and removed, leaving a fully rehabilitated pipe. Pipe bursting is a method that completely replaces old pipes with a flexible and long-lasting new pipe. After digging small access pits to access the ends of the old pipe, the bursting head with new pipe attached is positioned at the entry point of the old pipe. A heavy cable from the bursting head is then connected to the pneumatic press at the end location. Once engaged, the pneumatic press slowly pulls the bursting head all the way through the entire length of the pipe, bursting out the old damaged pipe while simultaneously pulling in a brand new pipe. The new pipe is heat fused, eliminating seams or joints, preventing any future root penetration or leaks. With repairs completed, a final camera inspection confirms that trenchless sewer repair will rehabilitate and structurally reinforce your pipes to last decades.